Lately, I've been experimenting with the method of scripting, but not just in the traditional form. I've been exploring different ways to do this, specifically with ways that would make the entire process feel more natural and in true alignment with the reality of my intention. Normally, people don't randomly write a letter to the universe expressing gratitude for all of the good that they have. Look around you right now and count all of the good things that you have, and then ask yourself, when was the last time you actually sat down and wrote a letter to some deity expressing your thanks for it? If you're like me, if you're like most people, you probably haven't even done this yet. We manifest things consciously, and sometimes it may feel like we're spontaneously blessed. And in these initial moments, we do feel and express gratitude and love, but then we move on. The secret to assumption is to naturally merge with the state of the wish fulfilled. The attainment of your desire should feel natural, honest, and ordinary. We shouldn't treat the things that we desire with any more superiority than the good that is already ours. And this is why, for me at least, the traditional form of scripting has always felt a little forced. I have been experiencing a successful harvest, and I truly dislike sharing any personal information with anyone at all, but for the sake of illustrating the power of what I'm about to share with you, I will budge a tiny bit. I've been accomplishing things like crazy in the physical 3D world, and there are numerous reasons for this, and one of them is scripting in advance. I've personally used this method to achieve wonderful things in the areas of career, education, and most recently, relationships. Say you've applied for a job. What may happen directly after this is you may start to feel some sort of anxiety. What if you don't get it? The rejection will hurt. Traditional scripting would help to tame those feelings of fear and self-doubt. You would write a letter to the universe giving thanks for having received this amazing position. Scripting in advance, however, takes it to a whole new level and follows the powerful principles of the law of assumption. Instead of writing a gratitude letter to the universe, you would draft an email of acceptance to the hiring manager. This email would be just for you. There is no need to share this right now. As you engage in this practice, you will begin to notice a profound feeling emanating from within you. You won't just feel grateful for the wish fulfilled, you will also feel certain that the wish is fulfilled. When the physical world catches up to the imaginal world, all you have to do is just copy and paste that letter of acceptance that you scripted in advance and send it on its way. This is exactly what I did to land a dream job and acceptance to a highly competitive course at a school I once believed I could never attend. How could this method work with relationships? Say you've lost contact with someone. Maybe you've been rejected. Maybe you've been scorned. Perhaps this person is hot and cold and they just won't text you back. Go ahead and script the text of all the things you would actually say to them were you to have the opportunity. Did they wrong you? Did they unjustly ignore you? Was the ending amicable? Were you the one in the wrong? No matter how things ended that time, Maybe you want to resume contact with them, and that's okay. Write a draft text or message of exactly what you would say once they do contact you back. Would you like to apologize for something? Would you like to define your boundaries and stand up for yourself? Maybe the last time you guys had contact, they ridiculed you and you didn't get the last word. Whatever the situation is, I'm not judging you, nor is the universe. And you can achieve that state of the wish fulfilled by scripting in advance. I do hope I've explained this method clearly enough, but if I haven't, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'd be happy, so happy, to share a complimentary video to this one. Perhaps we can go over actual scripts together pertaining to all areas in life. I think actually that would be really fun. But if this video is enough, then that works for me too. And I'm genuinely happy you have all that you need to start exploring this amazing method, scripting in advance. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. So, how did you like today's video, and what video would you like to see next? You let me know in the comment section down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles.